Many forms of artistic manifestation in Iran and India enjoys many similar and interlinked elements which, despite delicate and beautiful differences, are close to one another in principle. The political, economic, and cultural relations of the two nations of Iran and India are a spread of historical, geographical, and cultural grounds and ample commonalities, and the bilateral relation treads on a dynamic and progressive path which is intervened.
Sitting in the Iran Culture House, Culture Center, and cultural advisor is sitting with me, and he is the head of the Iran Culture House. Recently I have seen the exhibition in IGNCA, so I want to discuss about that, how many artifacts there, what type of exhibition was there?
First of all, thank you very much for coming to Iran Culture House, and I convey my best wishes for the audience who are watching this video. Actually, Iran has a very old and rich civilization, and from the old time, like India, from the ancient time, different category of the art and culture. Iranian people, Iranian nation is very rich in these different levels. And Iran Culture House for more than 63 years, it is located in this place in Delhi, and we are doing some cultural activity, like the Persian classes, and also promoting the culture and civilization of Iran and language, and different type of the cultural correlation between India and Iran. Recently, we organized one cultural exhibition, included the handicraft and the different art of the Iran in collaboration of the Dehgahi National Center for Art. It was for 4 days, 1 day inauguration and 3 days. It was an exhibition which people, common people and the elite and the artists came to visit this exhibition. And it was a very successful program. This exhibition, more than 500 items we showed and we screened in different style of the art. Carpet of the Iran, which is very famous in the world, design of the Iranian carpet, and rugs, and also minakari, that's metal work in the Isfahan city, and khatamkari, wooden work. And also we have one special exhibition which called From Persian Gulf to the Indian Ocean. All the historical monuments of the India belong to the India, which is located in Iran. We have photographed and we screened in this exhibition Gurudwara and temple and different Indian center in Iran. It is very good exhibition for the Indian who are interested to know more regarding Indian civilization inside the Iran. Apart from this, we had the glass work, artwork, Firoze Kupi from Neyshabur, Khorasan province, which belongs to the Khorasan province, and the Sofal and calligraphy, which is also very famous in Iran because Iranian Persian the alphabet is close to the Urdu. It's similar. 90%, yeah, same script, yeah, 90% same. So it is also very well known in the India, and calligraphy, one of the best Iranian art, which came also to India during the Shah Jahan time, during the Mughal Empire time. And also we had the copper work, we had the qalamkari, we had the Shahnameh, one of the famous epic poets of the Iran, which is also very famous in India, and more than 40 pages of the Shahnameh, miniature of the Shahnameh, we screened in that exhibition. It was very interesting for the Indian people. And also the Ramayana, as Indian must be known, Ramayana translated to the Persian language in the prose form and also poem. And two versions of the Ramayana, which is in the poem Iran Culture House published, and it is released and screened in this exhibition. So every people came to the exhibition, they were enjoyed and interested to the art and culture of the Iran, which is very similar to the Indian culture.
Thank you. Talking to the National.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.